Audio production.
Hi guys, what is up? This is Carstic Tiger 323, and today we're using electrical stuff, as you can see here. Now, the lighting is perfect, I know. Anyway, comment what I should do with my setup, what I should do. Tell me if the quality isn't as good. Tell me in the comments, because I read all of them, because I have 18 subscribers. It's sad, but okay. So yeah, so we're gonna be doing a ton of stuff with a BC. We're just gonna do something with a BC motor. I was gonna just show you how wiring works. So yeah, let's get started. All right. So basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take. I'm just gonna turn my lamp a little bit. There we go. That's a little bit better. All right. So we're gonna take this. Now I'm gonna show you how this works, because basically here. So you take this. Thread it through the wire. You see, look, you're threading it through. You see how that threads it through? So we're just gonna thread that through. Just gotta twist this up. Thread it through that wire. Then we're just gonna pinch that. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the other side and apply it to this. See, look, watch it. The only problem is, it's kind of hard because you have to like connect them. It's just anyway. So yeah, it's just really hard to control. So what we're gonna do is we are going to basically apply my favorite things, a rocker switch. Basically, switch it like that. So yeah, I'm not gonna solder or duct tape or do anything. And I also have got this thing. Sorry if it's upside down, but it's basically just like a ton of wiring stuff and everything. So yeah, let's get started. I would time lapse this, but I feel like you want to see. Anyway, so yeah. So what we're gonna do is we are going to connect this wire right here. We're gonna connect to the black wire. It's the rule. You always take the black wire, and you always want to directly connect the black wire. Alright, so now you can see. It's gonna put this right there. So now, as you can see, we got the black wire connected. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip this. We're gonna take our rocker switch. Now, I don't need any excess string, but we're gonna take our red wire. You see right here? We're just going to we're just going to connect that gently. I'll make sure that this is off. Alright, so now once we do that, we're just going to connect. Okay, that's not working. What we're going to do is we're going to take this and just swirl it around like that. And there we go. Now, what we're going to do is there's actually like a little bit of a spark here. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to take this, connect it. Now, when we hit our rocker switch, so yeah, that's how that works. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to apply. Alright, so now that we've got that nice and figured out, now you might actually start to build. Crap, that is going to burn out really easy, because you see how thin that wire is? Yeah, that's a problem. But okay. Alright. So these are my pliers. So I'm pretty sure we're just going to take... I'm just going to put you barefaced right here. Didn't know that. So now we got our... You know what these are, right? Yeah, okay. Let me get a little baggie right here. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to take these. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to take with our red wires. I thought that these were the heat ones, but they're not. We can just close them. Alright, so we're just going to take that, stick it in there. Then we're going to close. Like that. We're just going to close it nice and good. And we're just going to close it one more time. There we go. Now that we've got that nice and sealed, it's not coming out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take red one. Just as long as we got a nice little piece of metal contacting that, we're just going to take that and then we're going to alright. It's giving me sort of a hard time, but it'll work, I promise. And if it doesn't, you can slap me. What the hell? Alright, I don't understand what's going on. Alright, I'm just gonna squeeze you. Right there. There we go. Okay. Christ. Okay. In. I've just gotta put you in. That should work. Alright, so now that we've got that nice and connected, now it's time to get the BC motor in play. Now,
For me, boy, yeah.